Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to hide likes on Twitter. So first thing is open the Twitter application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in into your Twitter account, what you need to do is you need to go to privacy and setting. For that, you tap on the profile icon on the top left. Here scroll down, tap setting and support. Scroll below and tap on setting and privacy. Now once you're at the Twitter setting page, what you need to do is tap on audience and tagging, and then you can go and turn this toggle protect your tweets. Tap that. This means only people who follow you can go and see what tweets you're going to like. However, your followers can still see this. This is the only way how you can hide likes from your non-followers on Twitter. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.